Hey folks, I'm back for another video. This one is on my Tranny for my Trike. Let me show you what we got here. So I decided to go ahead and pull out the Tranny. Taking baby steps as far as removing it. Didn't know if I could do that myself, had the knowledge for it, but I did. It was a friend of mine talked me into it, and the fact that I'm out here in the desert and got nothing but time on my hands. The hardest part, that I haven't even got to the hardest part yet. The hardest part is going to be, I've got to take that off, take the bolts out of that on one side at least, and put the new belt on, which means I got to take that back bracket off, and the one below it, and the sway bar off to get the belt on there. Let me show you. Well, here, there's the starter there. Obviously the exhaust pipes. It was a bear getting it out, but I did. And here's a lot of the parts in here and tools. And so now I'm just waiting for my Tranny to come in. Once the Tranny comes in, since the Tranny is a 2004 and mine is a 95, the housings are different. The gears are the same, but the housings are different. So I have to take it to a mechanic to have them swap out the parts. And here's the Tranny, and you'll get to see the damage. So here's the Tranny. And look right there, that gear is pretty much gone. And the gear right there is pretty much gone. I was hoping to be able to save these two pieces here. I mean, as far as the shaft, because this is my reverse gears setups right here. They're add-ons. So they're gonna have to just put the new piece in. I'm gonna have to glue in my new old parts. Well, my new parts. I got a whole new kit coming. I had a whole new kit coming. It got here. I used some of the parts to get the reverse gear going again. And then here's the top piece. This is the one that shifts. But now that it's gotten here, I will now have a two more of these in the kit, and I'll have to put them on the new one. But I had to stop here because I've got to pull this off. I don't have a tool to do that with. And then I've got to pull that nut off to get this off. So that's the reason why I have to take it to a mechanic. But anyhow, that's what it looks like so far. It wasn't fun taking it off, and it's going to be even less fun to put the belt on. On another good note, there's my cabinet, and I just repainted or re-clear coated that side right there. So that is pretty much done there. And then I just gotta wait to get to the store to do clear coat for the top panel. I had to nail it to this board here. So the top panel I just got to resand down, or maybe not, if it looks good enough. If it's got the red in it or the purple in it, then I'll put it on. But it's already been cut to the right size. I had to nail it to the board to get it flat. This is the reason why I had to nail it to the board. When I was pouring the clear coat on before, it wasn't, it was puddling up in one corner or another corner. So that's about all I have for this one. Oh, and by the way, take that back. Tire blown out again. Third time. These rocks here are fairly large, and when you hit them, and since my butt sits right over top the tire, the most weight is on the back tire. When it hits those rocks, it jars the tire, and then tire blew out, inner tube blew out. So I got a new inner tube coming out in the way. So that's about all I have for this time. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. I'll give you an update on the tranny. Take care and be safe.